The journey to true financial peace begins with a stark realization: the comfort you feel is likely an illusion. A steady job, a house, and a car can create a deceptive sense of security that evaporates with a single unexpected crisis, like job loss or a medical emergency. Like a frog slowly boiling in a pot of warming water, many people fail to notice the gradual erosion of their financial health until it's too late. Proactive change is not just advisable, it is an urgent necessity. The modern world constantly encourages spending beyond our means, normalizing debt as an unavoidable fact of life. From student loans and mortgages to credit cards, debt is woven into the fabric of our society, yet it is the primary obstacle to building genuine wealth. The data is clear: debt leads to financial fragility, not freedom. Remarkably, most of the truly wealthy and many successful corporations operate entirely without debt, proving that it is a constraint, not a tool. To break this cycle, you need a clear, sequential plan, a total makeover for your money. The process is methodical and requires patience, akin to eating an elephant one bite at a time. You cannot tackle everything at once. The first crucial step is to establish a small emergency fund of $1,000. This starter fund acts as a buffer against life's inevitable surprises, preventing you from falling further into debt when minor crises occur. It is not for everyday expenses but for genuine emergencies, and any money taken from it must be replenished immediately. With that foundational safety net in place, you can aggressively confront your debts. This is done through the debt snowball method. List all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rate. Focus all extra resources on eliminating the smallest debt first while making minimum payments on the rest. The psychological win of paying off a full balance creates powerful momentum, fueling your motivation to tackle the next, slightly larger debt. As each balance disappears, the amount you can apply to the next one grows, like a snowball rolling downhill, gathering mass and speed. Once all non-mortgage debts are cleared, you return to your emergency fund. Now, you must grow it from a $1,000 starter into a fully funded safety net covering 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This robust fund provides profound peace of mind, ensuring that a major setback like unemployment or a medical event won't derail your progress. Only after becoming debt-free, except for your mortgage, and securing a full emergency fund should you turn your attention to long-term wealth building. Step 4 is to invest 15% of your household income into retirement accounts. Relying solely on government pensions or your children's future support is a risky strategy for your golden years. The recommended vehicle for this investment is a diversified portfolio of mutual funds, which have historically provided strong long-term returns. By spreading investments across different types of funds, such as growth, international, and aggressive growth, you balance risk and potential reward, allowing your money to work diligently for you over decades. For parents, Step 5 involves planning for your children's education without resorting to loans. Saddling the next generation with student debt cripples their financial start in life. Instead, you can utilize tax-advantaged education savings accounts, ESAs, funded with growth stock mutual funds. Starting early and contributing consistently can amass a significant sum, covering tuition and expenses without the burden of debt, allowing your child to graduate truly free. Step 6 is the final push to complete debt freedom, paying off your home mortgage. This requires intense focus and sacrifice, but the result, owning your home outright, is transformative. It unlocks a level of financial security and monthly cash flow that is otherwise unimaginable. The final step is about living and giving generously. Once you have no payments, a secure retirement in progress, and owned property, you have reached true financial fitness. Your money is now a tool for building the life you want and generously supporting the causes and people you care about. This entire makeover is not about deprivation but about empowerment. It replaces anxiety with confidence, complexity with clarity, and fleeting wants with lasting security. It is a proven path to taking complete control of your money so it can finally work for you, not against you. Book title: The Total Money Makeover.